Signing day represents a lot of things. It recognizes the end of one journey, the beginning of another, and above all, it's always a celebration of the hard work and dedication students, athletes, and their parents, coaches all put in. It paid off for 5 Springfield Blue Devils signing letters of intent to continue their academic and athletic careers today. 𝗦𝗽cie𝗿𝘆 moving on to run cross country and track at Lourdes. 𝗦𝗽cie𝗿𝘆, softball and volleyball stand out at Springfield. She's going to play softball for the Pilots of Bethel University. Alex Iserman, baseball at Defiance. That's where McKenna Walker is headed as well for soccer. She received a leadership award from the Ohio National Guard today. Defensive end Jordan Welch will play football at Capital University. Recurring themes, gratitude for all they've persevered through to get on that stage.
Well, this experience was it's been a long ride. After the shorter tear I had, it's been crazy to come back from that and then come and have second league honors my senior year. And then now I'm signing to go play college football. It's crazy. It's just like something I never thought would happen, especially after this tear, and coming back is all surreal to me.
I had juvenile bunions and they had to cut my bone on both feet. It really put my career on hold and I couldn't escape or have that mindset that I could be on the field doing what I love most. It just kind of was heartbreaking. Years ago, I would never expect to have a signing day. I would have never thought to be playing in college. It just kind of all came together.
If it was 3 years ago, I would have never expected this. And I didn't really start taking this sport seriously till my late sophomore year. And now running in college has been a dream of mine.
I never really got any offers until this year. I just was practicing every single day, trying to get a spot on a team, and Defiance reached out to me, and I really like what the outcome was. I've been looking forward to this day for so long, and I can't put words together to explain how amazing this is.
Everybody being here and supporting me in my dream really means so much to me. I'm not done yet. We still have a softball season to go. Me and my team's goal is to make it to the state Final Four, and that's our goal. And after that, I'm going to take on my journey at Bethel University, and I'm so excited.